Simplicity, visibility, and predictability are the cornerstones of an efficient pharmacy, a pharmacy that enables hospitals to provide better care to their patients. These hospital pharmacies need tools that increase safety and compliance while simultaneously optimizing performance. And these same tools need to seamlessly integrate with hospitals' existing processes, making them more streamlined and efficient. Developing these tools is our primary focus at KidCheck, so hospitals can better focus on their patients and their communities. We develop these tools using medication intelligence. Medication intelligence is our end-to-end solution, bringing simplicity, visibility, and predictability to your hospital and pharmacy. KidCheck's evolved process. KidCheck's industry-leading inventory management system enables our customers to see an average 80% reduction in restocking time and are able to reduce their restocking error count to 0. These increased efficiencies are enabled through our restocking workflow. Once a kit is used, this kit is brought back and scanned with the KidCheck scanning station. The scanning station generates a report of which products need to be added to the kit. After being restocked and passing the KidCheck scanning process, the kit is back in action and ready for use. KidCheck provides solutions for anesthesia workstations, centralized drawer liners, mobile pharmacies, and more. Reporting and analytics. KidCheck's reporting and analytics allow pharmacies to quickly and easily view data pertaining to kit and/or medication usage, enabling decision-making that can lower costs, improve accountability, and streamline processes. These reports and analytics assist in recalls and shortage management, allow for tray optimization on a day-to-day basis, and provide information on where hospitals are creating waste from expiry. Our workflows combined with our reporting and analytics assist in optimizing staff, standardizing processes, eliminating purchasing inefficiencies, and assisting in shortage management and recalls. Strategic partnerships and pre-tagged medication. KidCheck's strategic partnerships allow us to deliver pre-tagged products from our manufacturing partners to our wholesale partners to our pharmacy partners. Pre-tagging eliminates manual labeling and RFID tag expense for many products, while guaranteeing immediate compatibility with KidCheck. Not only does KidCheck have partnerships with pharmaceutical manufacturers, wholesalers, and healthcare providers, we're also the only medication management technology awarded GPO contracts. Pre-tagging and following CGMP guidelines increases the overall safety of the hospital supply chain. It's these strategic partnerships from the manufacturer to the wholesaler to the patient that provide the foundation and data for the medication intelligence that drives KidCheck's entire suite of solutions. Getting started. Joining our network of more than 500 partners is easy. KidCheck has a simplified activation process and dedicated success teams, ready to assist new partners into joining our network. Prospective customers can schedule a demo at kidcheck.com. KidCheck. Simplicity, visibility, predictability.